A chess game where one unexpected move shaped the board. That Iran's recent military strike, missile barrage on Gulf of oil facilities, and defense of President Trump ultimatums. For the US Federal Reserve, as of April 2026, this action has spiked oil prices past $100 per barrel, igniting inflation fear that forced the Fed to rethink its interest rate path. Iran's retaliation, including fire at Kuwait oil complexes, threat over the Strait of Hormuz, disrupted 20% of global oil flow. Brent crude hit $126 per barrel briefly, pushing US gasoline to $409 per gallon, up 25% since March. This isn't abstract. Higher fuel costs ripple into grocery shipping and manufacturing, mimicking the 2022 Ukraine war inflationary surge. Fed Chair Jerome Powell noted it's too soon to gauge duration, but officials like Neil Kashkari compare it to fast shock, potentially transient to entrench. The Fed dual mandate, stable prices, 2% inflation, and maximum employment now clashes. Pre-war market eyed for 2026 rate cut from 3.5% to 3.75%. Post-strike inflation jumped to 3.1%. Headline: delaying easing. Supply shock like differ from demand-driven inflation. Economists like Jerome Powell argued the Fed often looked through oil spike, as hiking rate won't fix supply but could tip the economy into recession. Yet prolonged war risk and anchored expectation. If consumer braces for $5 gas, they spend less. Harvard or demand wage hike, embedding inflation. In March 2026, FOMC rate held steady amid the wait-and-see mode. Chicago Fed Austin Gosby warned the war threatened job outlook, while the market flipped to 25% odd of hike. Trump called for rate cut clash with independents. Powell prioritized data over politics. The April 28-29 meeting eyes the fresh data: oil, $110, straight tension, and job report. If disruption is cut resume, if Iran escalate hike, interplay echoing 1970s oil crisis. Bloomberg note tariff compound this, trapping the Fed into limbo. For everyday American, this means pricer loan 30-year mortgages near 7% at a rate at 8.5%. Business delay hiring, consumer cut travel. Yet resilience shine. US shale ramp up, offsetting 10% of losses. Bigger picture, beyond the Fed strike, boost safe haven gold to $2,800 per ounce and Treasury yield pressuring stock. Europe faces 5% inflation. India rupee weaken on oil import. Trump avenge vows signal escalation risk, but diplomacy flicker. Tehran reject ultimatums yet see talk. In essence, Iran strike yank the Fed from the rate cut autopilot into crisis navigation, balancing fire with the growth ice. Powell team bet on data over drama. As Hormuz checkpoints simmer, the next move could define 2026 economy. Higher rates stiffing recovery or cut, risking runaway prices. Watch oil gauge and FOMC dot. They tell the tale.